How to use DoorDash Pet Supplies feature. To use the DoorDash's Pet Supplies feature, first of all, launch the DoorDash application on your device. Once you open the application itself, you simply have to log into your account. And then within the upper navigation bar, scroll until you find the Pets option. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Now you can use the search bar to search for more items for your pets. Or what you can also do is look at any of this or select any of these top stores from the given list. You can also look at the delivery fee as well as the estimated time of delivery right under the store's name. Once you tap on any of these store's name, you simply have to select the items and proceed to build a cart. Once you build yourself a cart, all you have to do is now go ahead and then proceed to checkout. You can also set the substitutions for your items. And once you select your payment method, you simply have to tap place order to send a dasher to pick up your supplies. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.